Hello students, welcome back. In this video we'll do question number 3 of exercise 5.2. So let's see. In very first question, what has been given? A is given 2 and A3 is given 26. As you can see, this will be the third number of this sequence. Okay, and we have to find out A2. Okay, so as we know the formula, A3 equal to what will be A plus 3 minus 1 into D. So this will be A plus 2D. A3 is given what? 26. 26 is equal to A is given, what is the A? A is given 2 plus 2D. So what will be value of D? 2D equal to 24, D equal to 12. Now we can find out A2. So A2 will be A plus D. A is given 2 plus 12. So that will be 14. Understanding? And then 14 में 12 ऐड करेंगे तो that will be 26. Okay. So we'll go to the second question. In second question, A is not given. A you have to find out. A2 is given. A2 is 13. A3 we have to find out, and A4 is given 3. Means we have to find out D, and then we can find out first term and third term. So we'll see what is given. A2 equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D. So this will be 13 equal to A plus D. This will be equation 1. And A4 equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. So A4 equal to A plus 3D. This will be equation 2. So we will find out value of D by equation 1 and 2. So we can write by equation 1 and 2 A plus D equal to 13 or A plus 3D equal to this A4. Value of A4 has been given. This is 3. Understanding? So this is 3. So we can subtract it. This will be cancelled. Minus 2D equal to 10. So D equal to minus 5. Okay. Now we got the value of D. So we can find out value of A. A equal to what will be? A2 minus D. ना A2 इक्वल टू A प्लस डी होता है, तो A इक्वल टू A2 माइनस डी. A2 माइनस डी इक्वल टू वट विल बी हैपन? 13 माइनस डी इज माइनस 5. A2 इक्वल टू 18. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? सो हमने A का वैल्यू निकाल लिया. अभी थर्ड टर्म A3 निकालना है. तो A3 इक्वल टू A प्लस 3 माइनस 1 इंटू डी. ये हमने निकाल लिया 18 प्लस 2 इंटू डी हमने निकाल लिया था माइनस 5. तो दिस विल बी 18 माइनस 10. तो ये जाएगा 8. एज यू कैन सी द सीक्वेंस 18 13 8 3. तो एवरीवेयर डी इज द डिफरेंस 5 माइनस 5 माइनस 5 माइनस 5. So this is also a very easy question. We'll go through the next question. Now we'll do question number 3. In this question, what is given? A is given 5, A2, A1 is given A2. We have to find out. Okay. A3 we have to find out, and A4 is given 9 1/2. Understanding? Sorry. So we'll do same here. A1 equal to A equal to 5. Okay, A equal to 5 given, and A4 equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Okay, so here A4 is given 19/2. Here this will be 19/2, and A is given what? A is given 5 plus 3D. So it will be 3D equal to 19/2 minus 5 equal to 9/2. Okay, 9/2. So D equal to 9/2 3. So this will be 3/2. So we got the value of D. Understanding? And we have to find out A2 and A3. D we got, so we will find out A2 here. A2 is equal to A plus D. A is given 5 plus 3/2. So this will be 13/2. Okay, A3 will be A plus 3 minus 1 into D equal to A plus 2D. So this will be 5 plus 2 into 3/2. 2 cancel, this will be 8. Okay, so 13/2 and 8 will be the second and third term of that series. We'll go to the next question. In question number 4, what is given? In question number 4, as you can see, A is given -4. A2 we have to find out, A3 we have to find out, A4 we have to find out, and A5 we have to find out. Okay, we have to find out A5, and A6 is given. A6 is given 6. So here again we'll put the value in A6. So A6 equal to A plus 6 minus 1 into D. We can write this by the formula. A6 is given 6 equal to A is given -4 plus 5D. So 5D equal to what will be 10. So D equal to 2. We got the D. Now we can find out all. A2 equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D, that will be A plus D. So that will be -4 plus 2. This will be -2. A3, it is similarly A plus 2D. So A is given -4 plus 2 into 2. So this will be 0. A4, this will be A plus 3D. So -4 plus 3 into 2. This will be 2. Understanding? And similarly A5 is equal to A plus 5 minus 1, 4D. A is given -4 plus 4 into 2. That will be 4. So value of second, third, fourth and fifth term is here. Understanding? In next video we'll do question number 5th. This is the last part of this question. I will do question number 5th. In this question, A is not given, A2 is given. A2 is 38. A3 we have to find out. A4 we have to find out. A5 we have to find out, and A6 is given -22. So we have given only 2 terms and A is not given. So we'll go through the second term. The A2 equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D. this will be a plus d. Okay, so a2 is given 38 equal to a plus d. This is the equation 1. And a6 is given, a6 equal to a plus 6 minus 1 into d. This will be a plus 5d. Okay, a plus 5d. a6 value of a6 is given, so minus 22 equal to a plus 5d. This will be equation 2. So by equation 1 and 2 we can find out the value of d. How? Let's see. By subtracting equation 1, equation 2 from 1. Okay, so what will be the or you can simply write by equation 1 and 2. Okay, that will be more easy. By equation 1 and 2, a plus d equal to 38 or a plus 5d is equal to minus 22. Minus plus. Okay, this will be cancelled. So minus 4d equal to 60. So d is equal to minus 15. Now we got the d. So what we have to find out? We have to find out a means a1, a3, a4 and a5. Okay, तो विल फाइंड आउट ए इक्वल टू, इसको लिख सकते हैं a2 माइनस डी, a1 इज ए, तो a2 माइनस डी, a2 इज गिवन, you can see what is the value of a2 here, 38. Okay, तो 38 minus 15, this will be 38 plus 15, this will be 53. a2 is given. Now we can find out a3 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 2d. Okay, so a we got 53 plus 2 into minus 15, so this will be 53 minus 30, this will be 23. Okay, a4 equal to a plus 3d, no, 2 minus 1 into d, 4 minus 1 into d, this will be 53 plus 3 into minus 15, this will be 8, and a5 will be a plus 4d, so 53 plus 4 into minus 15, so this will be minus 7. Okay, now a5 is minus 7, so you can see if you will add minus 15 in minus 7, so that will be minus 22. So this is also very easy question. Just where in any questions, if the value of a is not given in this question and this question, then we'll find out the value by that two equation. In this question this will be two equation, and in fifth question ये जो दोनों होगा 38 and 22 से दो इक्वेशन बनेगा, उससे हमें डी का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा, और जब डी का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा तो विल गो फॉर द अदर पार्ट वट एवर इट इज़ आस्किंग. So we have finished the question number 3 here. In next video we'll go to question number 4.